Greetings, fellow trans men. Not too long ago, I got a not-so-pleasant surprise in the mail. It was from the Selective Service system, otherwise known as the draft of the United States. If you don't know what that is, basically it's a list of names of people who will be called to join the army when the United States is in national crisis. This is what the letter said. Sign and date the form and return it to us in the enclosed envelope within 10 days. Refusal to register with the Selective Service is a federal crime punishable with a fine and imprisonment. Men who refuse to register are not eligible for certain federal benefits such as job training, student financial aid, and employment in the executive branch in the federal government. If you live in the United States and you change your sex to male before your 25th birthday, you'll probably get this in the mail too. My first reaction to seeing this was immediately to panic. But don't worry, I made this video so you don't have to panic. On the legal Selective Services website, it says that individuals who are assigned female at birth and change their legal gender to male do not have to register for the Selective Services. In fact, my fellow trans men, it's very important that you do not. Look at this. On the registration form, it says, "Note, current law does not permit females to register." Now, I know that you're not actually female, but the legal law is stupid. In other words, if you do register, then you will face legal action against you. But do not worry, because there is a simple solution. Attached to my letter was a form. Here's what it said. It says that if you are assigned female at birth, you are exempt from having to register. But here's where I started to panic. It said I needed to attach a copy of my birth certificate. Now, guess what? On my birth certificate, it said this: "Warning, illegal to duplicate." So I talked to the student legal services at the university I'm attending. Here's what they said. Basically, you just have to fill out the form they sent you in the mail, which is just a page long, and then you have to attach your birth certificate and the court order for your sex and name change. Although my birth certificate is illegal to copy, all I had to do was mail it to them. Thankfully, it is possible to get a new birth certificate with your new legal sex and name on it. But if you live in the United States, I do suggest keeping a copy of the original dead name, assigned sex at birth, birth certificate. Then, when you do get contacted by the Selective Services, just mail them a copy of your original birth certificate and the court order of your name and sex change. In order to prepare for this, just make sure to order more than one court order when you do get your name changed and your sex changed, and keep at least one copy of your birth certificate that still says female on it. I really hope this will help you because I don't want other people to freak out the way I freaked out. Remember, it's not the end of the world. It's just another annoying thing that you have to do now that you're an adult. Sad face. If you have any questions or other topics you want me to make a video on, feel free to comment and/or subscribe. Hope you have a good day, y'all.